What's going on? So today I'm going to go over a method for making money online that is so powerful I was able to generate over $4,000 in income with about 10 minutes of work, which I'll take you inside that account and show you in a minute. And the best part is this method is absolutely free and will pay you on complete autopilot, and you can start using this method right now. Plus, I'll give you a couple versions of this method so you can do it a couple different ways if you want. And so if you're ready, let's get started. And whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe and set notifications, because I also share the same methods I use to grow multiple YouTube channels and have helped thousands of other YouTubers grow their channels as well, and many of them are now partners. And if you're one of those who's been interested in just getting all my personal methods and tools for growing YouTube channels quickly, becoming a YouTube partner, earning AdSense revenue, and even monetizing your channels for additional automated income like I do, check out the link in the description to my video series where you can just watch over my shoulder and copy me step by step and set this up for yourself. And if you do come over here to the course page and you scroll down a bit, you're going to see where other YouTubers that are enrolled are simply following the steps I laid out for them, and they're sharing the results they're getting right here. And I just added a new section to the course called 2-week monetization, and here's one of my students that was able to actually use that method to get their channel from scratch to monetized in just 11 days. So again, that link is in the description. All right, so here we are. First and foremost, let's go over how I was able to do this, how I was able to generate over $4,000 with just about 10 minutes worth of work. And we're going to start out at my channel, because the method I'm going to show you is through affiliate marketing using free YouTube traffic. So if we scroll down a bit on my channel here, we're going to get to this video. You can see it's about 10 minutes long, a little over 10 minutes long. And in this video, I did a small promotion on a service and then pointed people to an affiliate link that I had in the description so that they could go over and check that service out. And that was pretty much all I did. So even though it was a 10-minute video, I actually really only spent a fraction of that time promoting this offer. So let's go ahead and see how much this one promotion has generated for me. So we're inside my affiliate account. 34 clicks still today come in, no conversions yet, but that's okay, because again, the promotion is coming from a video that I did 8 months ago and it's still generating me commissions. You can see I have a pending payout of $1,217.55. There's 0 pending approvals, meaning it's been approved. There's nothing waiting. It's just gonna get sent to me as soon as the payout date hits. So let's go ahead and look at the payouts I've already received. So if we go over here, I'm gonna just open the payout page. And now these have already been paid out. And so if we add these up together with the one that's pending, it's $4,000 and some odd dollars. Maybe I'll put the amount right up on the screen for you right now, and you can verify that for yourself. But that's it. I just did a simple free YouTube video promoting the service, and over the span of time, without doing anything else, it has generated me over $4,000. And so now I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to give you a couple really cool examples, but really all affiliate marketing, if you're not familiar, is just simply partnering with a company or a person that has a product, and they're going to give you a commission for sending them sales. And it's almost always free to join these affiliate type programs. And if you're using free traffic like YouTube, you don't have any costs at all. And so here's one example. I'm going to give you two, so stay tuned for both. But here's one example. It's a very easy one to do, and it's a very effective one to do. And that is to head over to Amazon. So once you're here, all you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom. And right here, the second column, it says make money with us, and they give you all the various ways you can make money. But we're going to look at the third one down called become an affiliate. All you got to do is click on that, sign up for a free affiliate account, and then you can promote any product on Amazon you want and start earning money. And so since we're using YouTube, one of the most obvious and easiest ways to do that is by doing product reviews. And so here's an easy example that I'm sure there's a lot of gamers out there, and a lot of gamers play on PS4s, and they're always going through headsets. So we come up here and we look for PS4 headsets. Let's go ahead and see that. Now let's say you have whatever headset they have here. Let's say you have this one. It's not the bestseller, it's not Amazon choice, and that doesn't matter. I'm gonna tell you why. Let's say you just have this Nubo, whatever it is, this $35 headset. Do a review on that. You can say, this is a great headset, I love it, whatever you have to say about it, and then you put a link in the description to Amazon, right to this product, and they come over here and they go, hey, but what about this bestseller? What about Amazon's choice? Now, if you have these, that's great too, but if you don't, it doesn't matter. Let's say they come over here and they say, well, I'm not sure I really like that one. You did the review on this one, but I really think this Amazon choice one, I'll go with that. You're still going to get the commission, because when you send them over through your affiliate link, Amazon will continue to track them for 24 hours. So if they buy anything through Amazon within the next 24 hours of going through your affiliate link, you're still going to get the commission. So they could come on over here and buy this. They could buy a keyboard, they could buy anything else on Amazon in any category, and you're still gonna get a commission. And so that's just one of the reasons why Amazon is such a great affiliate partner, because one, they do that for you, and two, everyone knows about Amazon. Amazon's probably the biggest online merchant without question in the world. So that's way better than then sending them to this product's manufacturer's website. They're going to come here, they're going to either buy that product or choose other products, and you're still going to get the commission, and they're going to trust that because it's on Amazon. Let me give you another example of how to use affiliate marketing with YouTube to potentially make massive amounts of affiliate income on autopilot. Now for this one, we're going to talk about digital products like make money online products, and of course, a lot of people have heard of ClickBank, which the problem is, since everybody knows about ClickBank, everybody's promoting the same products, so it's very hard for you to stand out among all these other YouTubers or other people promoting them. So what I recommend you do is find more unique platforms to work with, and this one isn't only unique, it's one of the best ones out there. It's called Warrior Plus. And so again, you sign up for a free affiliate account, and then when you do come over here, you go to affiliates and then you click on offers, and that's what's going to load this page here. And what's powerful about this is the filter options. So you can choose to filter this by release date so that you are promoting something that is fresh and new and isn't overdone. And the other thing that's really powerful is you can look at the conversion rates, you can look at the refund rates, and these are the two metrics that I look at most, and here's why. So one, if I go down here, I can see 17% conversion rate. And all that means is for every 100 people that have been referred to this link, 17 have bought. That's pretty good. In fact, that's really good. But there's better ones right here. Look at 30%. Almost 1/3 of everybody that sees this product buys it. So obviously we're talking about targeted traffic. So if you did a video that was really targeted towards this product, towards making money online, and you got 1,000 views, you could potentially make 300 sales. Now, of course, it usually doesn't work out that way. Usually it's a little bit lower than that, I'll be honest, but this takes the guesswork out of it for you. So you don't have to go through here and look at it and decide whether you think it's a good product to promote or not. It's telling you 30% of the people that are landing on the sales page are becoming customers. They're buying this product. And the other thing that's phenomenal is if you go over here to the refund rate, 0% of those people are refunding the product. They're asking for a refund. That means it's a good product and it's a good selling product. So we're gonna look at this product real quick, but if you wanted to promote it, all you're gonna do is hit request, and then sometimes they'll ask for you to be approved before you are able to get your affiliate link, and that's no problem. Typically what that is somebody has pissed these creators off and they've been blacklisted from them for promoting this. So generally, especially if you're new, you're not gonna have a problem at all promoting any of these products. But let's go ahead and click on this, and it's going to take you to an information page where you can see the funnel map. So here's kind of the product overview. If we go to the funnel map, and so this funnel basically lays out the upsells and downsells for this product. So someone lands on the main page, the sales page, they buy the product, they get offered this upsell to get the Profit Meet Pro, which means if they buy that, you're going to earn even more money. They're going to get another upsell if they buy that, another upsell, another upsell. Now, if they don't buy it, that means just, and you don't have to worry about this is all done for you, but you're just going to send them this link. This is just describing what's going to happen to people as you send them through this funnel. The other thing you can do is look at the other products this creator has created, because generally if they're a good product creator, you're going to want to look at other of their products and check those out as well. And then you can view the sales page itself. So we'll just click on this, and you can see they have this very bold sales page. They have an explainer video. And if we come back over here to the offer page again, you can see right here, this was just released yesterday. So October 16th, there's only been 2,000 of these sold so far. Again, 30% conversion rate, 0% refund rate, average sale $29. So all you would do again is grab that link. Sometimes you can reach out and get a review copy from some of these creators, and they'll do that for you. And since you know what the traffic funnel looks like, you can go to the sales page and just click off of it, and you're going to get redirected to a reduced price of this product and get it at a discount for yourself. And then you can do a complete review on it. And all you're really doing is going into the back office when you do the reviews. Just be careful not to reveal too much of the product inside out of respect for the creator, but you're just going to show people, hey, I'm reviewing this product, I've purchased this product, it's amazing, whatever. you're going to tell people about the product in your video, and then again, you're just going to put that affiliate link in the description below. So again, this is just a couple methods, a couple ideas for my complete system. Again, I have that link in the description for you that shows you how to drive tons of traffic to your videos, how to promote these products in depth, how to create your own products even. So that's in the description if you want. But if you want to take a shot at it, feel free. Let me know what you think in the comments below. With that, I'm going to wrap this up, and I'll see you in the next video.